Good morning, students. I hope you are fine and watching my videos and completing your copies. Do homework and send me regularly because many students are doing homework wrong and they are getting checked their copies. So now we'll revise how to find LCM. We have already discussed how to find LCM. First, it says write all the numbers together as shown. Okay, we write all the numbers together, then we keep dividing the numbers till the remainder is 1. Okay, the number that cannot be divided are brought down and divided later by their factors. Okay, the number which cannot be divided are brought down and divided later. So here 5, 12 and 15 are there. First we will start with first prime number. What is first prime number? 2. So 5 cannot be divided by 2, so write 5 here. 12 comes in 2's table how many times? 6 times, so write 6. Then 15 cannot be divided by 2, so write here 15. Then again here 6 can be divided by 2. Okay, how many times? It can be divided by 3 times, but 15 and 5 does not come in 2's table, so write then below. Here 5, 3 and 15, no number can be divided by 2, so divided by now 3. So yes, 3 comes in 3's table how many times? 1 times. And 15 comes in 3's table 5 times. 5 does not come, so write here 5. Then again 5 1 times and 5 1 times. 1 does not come, so write here 1. So here we have got all the remainder 1. Okay, all the remainder 1. So now what we need to do? We need to do product of all the divisors. So 2 into 2, then 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 will give 4 and 3 into 5 will give 15. So 4 into 15 will become what? 60. So 60 is our LCM. Means students, 60 is the lowest number which is the common multiple of these numbers. Means multiples means number which come in their table. So 60 is the lowest number which come in all the 2, 3 and 5 table. All these numbers table come 60. Okay, and it is the lowest number. So now let's solve some questions from exercise. Now let's solve this first question 1a. So first we'll write them here. Okay, so first prime number is 2, so do its prime factorization. So 12 and then what? 12, it will become 36 how many times? 18. Okay, then again we can divide it by 2 6 times and here 9 times. Here students, again we can divide it by 2. Okay, how many times? 3. 9 does not come in 2's table, so write just 9 here. Now 3 and 9 does not come in 2's table, so divide them by next prime number 3. Okay, so 1 and 3, again divided by 3, 1 1. So LCM will be 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 3. So our answer will be 8 9. So it will become 72. So students, 72 is the lowest number which come in 24 table also and 36 table also. 36 2 times and 24 3 times. Now let's solve. Wait. let me give proper divider. Okay, now question number 1b. So 12 and 72, so let's divide it by 2. 6 times 3, 36, again divided by 2. 3, 18, again divided by 2. 3, 9. Now 3 and 9 does not come in 2's table, so by 3, 1, 3 times, again divided by 3. So students, LCM will be 2 comma 2, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 3. So 8 multiplied by 9, so again it will become 72 answer. Okay, 72 is the lowest number which come in 12's table also 6 times, and 72 table also 1 times. So it is the LCM, means lowest common multiple. Multiple means number which come in their table. So 72 is the lowest number. So students, this is your homework, and this is your homework. Now I will solve question number 1E. 1E is I have to find LCM of I have to find LCM of 15, 25 and 30. So let's divide them. 15, 25 and 30. So 5 3 times, 5 times, 6 times. Now divided by 2. 3 cannot be divided, 5 cannot be divided 3 times. Now divided by 3. 1, 5, 1, divided by 5. So now students, LCM will be what? LCM will be 5 cross 2 cross 3 cross 5. So answer will be 10 multiplied by 15. It will become 150. So this is the lowest number which come in both all these numbers table. Okay, let me check. 3 times, 5 times, 6 times, then 2, 3, 5, 3, 3, 1, 5, 1, 5. Okay, it's correct. Now next question 1EF. Okay, question F says 46. We have to find LCM of 46, 69 and 92. Okay students, so now (46, 69 and 92). So let's first divide them by 2. 23. Then 69 cannot be divided because last number is not divisible by 2. Then 92 can be divided because last digit is even number. Okay, we had learned in divisibility rule for 2. So 4, 6. Now let's again divide it by 2 because 46 can be divided by 2. So 2 and 3. Now let's divide them by 23 because 23 is what? 23 is a prime number, we know that. Okay, it will become 2 times, 3 times and 1, again divided by 3. So students, LCM will be 2 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 3. So it will become 4 4 cross 69. So 69 into 4 will become carry forward 3, so 27. So this is our answer. So students, homework is G is your homework, H homework and I homework. Okay, see you students next time. Please solve homework of word problem from HCF, and this homework also solve and send me for correction. Okay, bye. Now students, question 2 says find the smallest number that is exactly divisible by 15, 18 and 32. Okay, here you can see question is talking about smallest number. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find lowest common multiple. Okay, ऐसे हमको छोटे से छोटे नंबर पता करना है जो इन 15, 18 और 32 तीनों के टेबल में आता है, मतलब तीनों से वो डिवाइड हो जाए. यहाँ बोल रहा है एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय, मतलब तीनों से डिवाइड हो जाए, मतलब तीनों के टेबल में आना चाहिए. ऐसा छोटा से छोटा नंबर बताओ. तो सो वी विल फाइंड एलसीएम ऑफ दिस नंबर. So students, here we will divide it by first by 2, because 18 and 32 can be divided by 2, so 9 times, and here 16 times again can be divided by 2 because 16 is here which can be divided by 2. So how many times? 8 times again can be divided by 2, again can be divided by 2, again can be divided by 2. Okay students, now 15. Okay, let's divide it by 3, so 5 times, and here 3 times, so again divide by 5 and by 3. So now LCM will be what? LCM will be 2 cross 2 cross 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And then 3, 5, 3. Okay, 3, 5, 3. So when you multiply 2 8 times, so it will become 32. Okay, and 32 multiplied by 3 cross 3 means 15, and it will become 45. Okay, this total will become 45, means 3 into 5 15, and 15 into 3 45. So now multiply 32 by 45. Okay, so 0 1 160, and cross here 8 and then 12, so it will become 1440. So students, answer will become 1440. Okay students, see you next time.